What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy Geek. Yes, it's me, your Jimmy Geek. So here is another awesome lion. Is this a lion? It's a tiger. Okay, it's a tiger. A tiger case for the essential phone PH-1. Now let me take out and let me show you the case. Okay, let me throw this thing away. I mean, and then here we go. Let me slice on the case. The case is going to be a tight fit, because if the case is not tight, the case easily come off from the essential phone. That's why. Come on, essential phone. Come on. Okay, here we go. I mean, it's beautiful looking case, to be honest with you. It's amazingly beautiful looking case. Look at the beauty of it. Look at the beauty of it. When I'm telling you look at the beautiful, then look at it. I mean it's really very beautiful case, as you can see. Wow. Can I recommend it? The only complaint is that I wish the back print quality was a little bit better, but other than that, I can easily recommend it. So it was me, Jimmy Agric. Make sure to subscribe and bye.